Hey there fellow explorers, today we're taking a flight of a different kind into the amazing world of Google Earth Flight Simulator. If you've ever dreamt of soaring above the Earth's surface, this tutorial is for you. Buckle up because we're about to uncover the steps to navigate the virtual skies like a pro. Now for step 1, we need to launch Google Earth Pro and select your location. To kick things off, double click on the Google Earth Pro to open it up. Once you're in, navigate to the location you want to fly over. Now I want to fly over the country of Japan. Now for step 2, we need to access tools and the ruler menu. So click on the tools menu and from there select ruler. Now you go to tools, select the ruler. Now step 3 is to create your flight path. Inside the ruler menu, head over to the path tab. Click on your starting location and drag the ruler to your desired destination. Once you've got your path set, hit that save button. Now let's say I want to go from Osaka, and then let's go to Hiroshima. Then let's click save. Now, let's give a name to your newly created path. Just type in a fitting name and then click OK. Now I'm gonna put here flight destination. Then click OK. Now for step 5, we need to access the flight simulator option. Now go to the tools menu again. But this time, select enter flight simulator. Then we need to go to step 6, which is to customize your flight. You're almost ready for takeoff. Choose your aircraft and your preferred airport location. Get ready to explore the skies. Now we can use the SR-22 here, and now I am gonna be using my current view as I set up my starting position. Or you can choose another airport. Every kind of airport is in here in the world. And then we just need to click to start flight. And there you have it, your ticket to the Google Earth Flight Simulator adventure. Whether you're a seasonal pilot or a newbie to virtual flying, this feature is sure to amaze. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Let us know in the comments below what other virtual explorations you'd like to see us cover. Until then, happy flying and keep those virtual skies clear.